Hello guys, I'm going to use a rag and Dawn soap, it already has Dawn soap on it, to wash my refrigerator. I'm going to be taking all this out. See, now I took some out and I'm going to be cleaning and it will be done. I don't have to do a whole video of it. Just put Dawn on a rag and clean it. My husband has to help me do this.
See the notches?
Yeah, and we found out we had a secret little drawer. Look at that.
Find a lot when you clean.
I'm encouraging you guys to clean. I didn't want to clean, but I'm encouraging you guys. We all have different refrigerators.
You can put these however you want. So if you want.
This is somewhat organized. This is my first time. Just the dressings. I don't know. The drinks are on the bottom. Cleaning the drawers. Put the sweet potatoes in. This is for the vegetables. This drawer's for vegetables. I can't do perfect like the other ones. That's good. My husband's helping. I'm putting this almond milk, and then my yogurt and my peanut butters. This is what I have for my smoothie in the morning, well, in the afternoon. I'm gonna put my cottage cheese in there. It's just for fun. I don't know. I don't know where to put my eggs.
That's gone.
We have pickles.
This is gone.
This is going by. Make sure you clean your refrigerator. Putting the eggs there. Cottage cheese. Another one. Break. And this is the aftermath. Hope this encourages you to clean. Cleaning is good. God loves cleaning. He loves order. And then I'm going to be doing a video on this. I just don't know what safety you can put in the freezer. I don't know if you can put plastic in here. So if you know, please let me know what to put in there. Maybe glass. I don't know. But this will be done. Love you guys.